In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send files for free with WeTransfer. To get started, open your WeTransfer account. Once you're signed in, take a look at the panel on the left side of the screen. If the Send Files card is not already showing there, go ahead and click it. This is the area where you'll prepare everything before sending your transfer, so it's a good place to pause for a second and make sure you're on the right option. Next, click the plus button labeled Add Files. As soon as you do that, your computer's file browser will open. From here, locate the file you want to send. WeTransfer supports many common file types, including photos, videos, documents, and zip files, so you can use it for a wide range of sharing needs. Once you find the correct file, select it, then click Open or simply press Enter on your keyboard. After that, the file will be added to your transfer and you'll be ready to set up the delivery details. Now move to the Email to field and enter the recipient's email address. You can add up to 10 recipients if you need to send the same file to multiple people at once. This can be especially helpful for team projects, client deliveries, or sharing files with a group. You can also edit the file title to make it easier for the recipient to understand what they're receiving, and you can add a short message if you'd like to provide context or instructions. Before sending, choose the file expiration. On the free version, the available options are 1 day or 3 days. This means your recipient will need to download the file before that time runs out, so it's a good idea to pick the option that best fits how quickly they're likely to access it. Once everything looks good, click Transfer. You'll then see a loading message, including a finalizing status, while WeTransfer processes the upload and prepares the email. Depending on your file size and internet speed, this may take a little time, so just let it finish. When the upload is complete, you'll see a confirmation that the email was sent, along with the validity period for the transfer. And that's it. Your file has now been sent for free using WeTransfer.